In this video, we will demonstrate how you can add your own fields to NAV using enhanced fields. Enhanced fields are a great way to add fields to the system without modifying the object. We can populate these with data, include them in quick reports, and so on. To start with, we'll go to a list. Enhanced fields can be seen in the Enhanced Information fact box. Here you can see some that have been set to be shown on the fact box. You can have as many enhanced fields as you want, but you can only show 12 on a fact box or a fast tab. Press the Open Enhanced Fields definitions. Here you can see the definitions of those on the fact box, or can remove the filter shown to view all the ones we have added to this table. Press New to create New Enhanced Field. First off, give it a name. You can have several types of enhanced field, like text, decimal, code, date, and so on. Once you have specified the value type, specify a source type. A source type lets us define further behavior. We can use a formula to calculate a value, look up the value from another table, string together values using concatenate, or we can pick values from a predefined list. For our brand category example, we will select Pick from List, and then the Pick from List button is activated in the ribbon. We can then press it and define the list we want our users to select from. Finally, mark it as editable and press OK. Next, we will create a calculated one, for example, inventory value. This time it will be a decimal value and it will be calculated. Notice a calculation fast tab appears. Now we can specify our calculation, putting any fields in square brackets. In this example, we will multiply inventory by unit price. Look up enhanced fields. Lookup enhanced fields are very useful to get a value from another table. For this vendor, set the source type to lookup. Then, in the Lookup Fast tab, specify the table and field that we want to take the data from. Next, in the Relations, set the relation between our tables and the lookup table. In this case, when the number in the vendor table is equal to the vendor number which is in our item table. Overall, this will return the vendor name, which is very useful to use instead of a vendor number. If we go back and refresh our page, notice that the enhanced fields have been added. Also notice, whenever we add a new enhanced field, it is set to be shown on a fact box and fast tab, but this can be changed. If we go to the card, they have also been added to the fast tab. As our brand category is a pick from list, we can go and pick a value.